everyone, I'm Michelle, and today I have a quick video to show you how to repair the hole in your window by rescreening it. It's a fairly easy process, and if you ask me, well worth the effort so I don't have flies in my apartment anymore. You'll need a few supplies: a new roll of screen, a spline tool, new spline if you're not reusing, a razor blade, and a flathead screwdriver. I got myself all ready by rolling out a new piece of screen, cutting it slightly larger than the frame, and now I'm all set for success. I start by prying up the old edge of the spline with the flathead screwdriver. Just, stick it under there and weasel the edge of it up until you can grab your fingers a hold of it, and then pull it on out of the frame. I'm going to go ahead and set it aside because I'm going to reuse it in a few moments. Then just take out your old screen and discard it. Lay the new screen over the frame, and since my spline isn't cracked or brittle, I'm going to reuse it. Since it's already creased from where it was in the frame, go ahead and try to line up the corners so it fits right back in the way it came out. From here, use the concave edge of the tool to push the spline into the frame. Full disclosure, I'm an amateur. I fumble through this quite a bit, but it's a realistic look at what it takes to get it done. I did 5 or 6 windows in my apartment, but that was over a year ago, and recently the bathroom window got a rip, so I decided to make this video while rescreening it, and then that way I could show you guys how easy and quick and simple and cheap it is to get it done on your own. I'm definitely rusty. I slipped off the groove a bunch of times and even rolled over my fingers a few times. I will say I was trying to keep my body out of the frame, so if you're not worried about that, it might be a little bit easier. But try to make sure you don't apply too much pressure when using the tool, because if you stop and slip, or not even stop, but just if you slip right off, you can cut the screen and then you'll be right back to square one. And that sucks, but practice makes perfect, so maybe not a bad idea. Go back to square one, try it again if you're not happy with it. I don't know. Another thought that I've got to be aware is how tight the screen is pulled during the process. You don't want it too tight, but also you want to avoid any loose spots. When you try rescreening, leave me a comment down below. I can't wait to hear your success stories. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. It's brand new, but I'm planning to do more DIY tape videos and some plant videos too. I really love plants. Let me know what you would be interested in watching. I welcome your feedback and look forward to hearing from you. Once you've got all the spline pushed in, you can try to jam the corners down with your screwdriver to make it more secure, or you can do what I did and leave them as is. Either way, I think you're good from there. After that, you use your razor blade to trim around the edge, and then you put your screen back in your window, pat yourself on the back because you're done. You did awesome, and now you can relax without getting any little critters in the house, and that is just an amazing feeling. I want to take a moment to thank you for your time and sitting through this whole video, waiting till the end, watching it. If you enjoyed it, again, I invite you to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you, and hope to see you next time.